You are going to love the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, USB connection, electronic stability control, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.